Hey guys, and welcome to the Hackinon's YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to test a multiple number of values to a single test variable in Python. Let's say you're working on a blog or a website of your own and you want to check whether certain ID exists among a set of users. So I've created a fake scenario where I've created three variables called as ID1, ID2 and ID3, and I've given some random IDs, that is 99x, 87x and 77x. So what we want to do is check whether certain ID exists among these three users. So we can do that really simply by checking using a OR condition, by checking each value precedence, etc. But we will check out using some more modern methods and efficient methods. So first thing is, I will show you how to do it using an if condition in partition with a list. So what we'll do is, we will wrap all these data variables inside a list, and then we will make an if condition use with it. So to do that, what you need to do is, so first you need to say if, and let's say we are searching for the ID 77x. So I'll say if 77x, and now I'll use the in keyword. So that will basically check if data x is present in data y and simply return true if the data exists. Now I'll create the list method, and inside the list method I will store down all the data that I'll simply print true, else I will print false. So that sounds really simple. So let's try it out and check what happens. And as you can see, if 77x is present in this list of IDs, it returns true, else it returns false. Another method to also improve the efficiency would be to use a set. So I'm just removing the list calling arguments, and now I'll create a set out of it and check out the output remains the same. It's giving us a true. So one advantage of using a set method is because sets are much faster and efficient compared to the Python's ordinary data structure, that is its list. Another question that arises, why couldn't we create an if condition to check if certain data is equal to the ID that we are finding? The simple solution is, it isn't great option when you are working with a sparse or large amount of data. So for example, let's say the number of IDs keep on increasing. So tomorrow there's a person which comes with ID 4 and has got certain ID, and that way the IDs keep on increasing. Then you cannot keep on checking each and every ID. All you need to simply do is put in the ID inside your list or set method. And now if I run this, the output completely remains the same, and then we are improving the way our code is written and reducing the numbers of lines of code. So that's it from this video, where we solved a simple question of checking and testing multiple values corresponding to a single data value. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the Hackinon's YouTube channel for more fun and interesting videos.